Okay, I'm going to try to run through this really quickly. This is the latest APS update, version 3.0.2. Free motion capture software, currently beta, available to anybody who joins up on the Discord. Just ask for a access token. This is the default screen. As you can see, there's this avatar track menu, which is not important, so I'm going to close that. Okay, but here in VR, if you can see, I'm wearing some trackers. So I'm going to calibrate this avatar real quick. Just stand in a T-pose with your hands out to your sides and press the two menu buttons simultaneously, and that'll initiate the T-pose calibration. Okay, so there, I've just calibrated the default avatar. So let me switch to a different avatar actually. So like this guy. Same thing, just stand in T-pose, press the two menu buttons, and calibrated. So I can go here and like change the background. Now I could also, go to add-ons and change the scene. Let me change the scene to something bright, and I'm going to add a camera just so I know where to look. That's fine. So I'm going to add it right there. Right there. Okay. So have a camera in the scene, right? I'm linked up to an avatar. Turn on the bounds so I can see my room. Okay. And I'll add a prop. So let me add a book. That's kind of small, so just scale it up. Okay, and then lock it in hand. And now I can let go. It'll remain. Okay, so now I should have the scene set up. So I can just click record mocap and act out whatever it is that I'm acting out. Reading poetry to a tree. Okay, and that's it. So as soon as I'm done, just hit the end button by pressing I think it's the B button on your controller, and it'll just repeat indefinitely. So from here I can adjust the camera. So I'll stop the playback, grab the camera, and then I can hit record. Done. Okay. All right, so that covers calibrating avatar, recording a scene, adding props, doing the camera and all that. So now let me just do the last step and actually export this to Blender. So to do that, just open the menu, go to add-on scenes, and then here under Blend Builder, just give it a name, and then hit build scene. Oops, I already built that same scene, so I'm going to call this book 2. Build it, and these are the files that are generated. So then you just select the scene loader and run. And there's the character and the camera, and when I hit animate, you can see everything was recorded, including the dynamic bone components. The only thing that's missing is the actual tree. That's because that scene was basically there was no Blender file associated with that asset, so it didn't export. But that's the gist of recording and getting motion capture out into Blender. And then from here, of course, you could animate it and render it. But there you see it, rendering in cycles.